Good afternoon, I'm John Garpavu, Executive Secretary and Project Manager in Rwanda Environmental Conservation Organization, RECO. Would like to introduce the project which is being implemented by RECO. The project is founded by TERRAMATCH Fund Coalition with the support management of One Tree Planted. And the project is being implemented in Gashora Sector, Bugesera District, and precisely here in Kagomasi village. The purpose of the project is landscape restoration, in which the project has two components. The first component is to plant trees down there in buffer zone area, which has been established by the government of Rwanda. And the second component, it will be to introduce agroforestry and agroecology activities in community farms. So the first phase will be down in buffer zone, which will be just planting exotic trees. And secondly, it will be in agroforestry introduction in farming system. Apart of that, RECO will conduct also capacity building, community capacity building. As you can see here, we are trying directly to try to empower the community by skills and knowledge how to prepare the nursery bed. And secondly, they'll go through other training where they'll be empowered by skills how agroforestry can contribute to improve agriculture system, but also to know about how they can prepare a nursery bed, how to create some other green jobs activities. RECO also, we have another activity in composting production, because we know that some biomass, rest of biomass in farms are just left in the farms where they can be reused for compost production. We have also the component of compost production, which will be done by the community themselves. That's why we call it learning by doing. Themselves, they will come here on the ground and learn how they can produce themselves compost, which can be used to improve soil quality for agriculture. It was just a small introduction, and next we'll see another phase after this phase of nursery bed preparation, how seedlings will be produced in this nursery bed and other